Have a great day. In this video, we are going to see one problem under the topic standard costing and variance analysis. On this, we'll just focus on material variance. Under material variance, here we just have four formulas. First, we see that one after another. Direct material cost variance. The formula for direct material cost variance is standard price into standard quantity for actual output minus actual price into actual quantity of material used. And then here we have direct material price variance. For this, actual quantity used into standard price minus actual price. And at next, direct material usage variance. Standard price into standard quantity for actual output minus actual quantity used. And finally, here we have direct material mix variance. The formula for direct material mix variance is standard price into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. Yeah, here we have one formula. Material price variance. Based on this formula, we are going to do one problem. Let's see the problem. Ganesh purchased and used 800 tons of a chemical at rupees 40 per ton, whereas the standard price fixed was rupees 48 per ton. Calculate material price variance. So the formula for material price variance is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. So in this problem, it is very clear that the actual quantity used by Mr. Ganesh is 800 ton. So we'll put here 800. Okay. Then standard price minus actual price. So let's see to the question. They have given the standard fixed price was rupees 48 per ton. So for 1 ton, they have fixedly having rupees 48. So that we'll put 48 as standard price. Then actual price. And here we have the actual price of rupees 40. So that here we put rupees 40. So from deducting 48, from 40 you will get 8. So 800 into 8, you will get 6400. Okay. If the result isn't positive, which means there is no negative symbol in front of the number, then we should say it as F. F means nothing but favorable. Take for example, if suppose here we have the amount 40 and here we have the amount 48. So we will get the answer as minus 8 and the answer should be on minus 6400. If suppose it came like this, you will put A, and A means adverse, negative variance, which means okay. So that here we have positive amount, so 6400. F means favorable. We will put rupees 6400 F. Okay, so the material price variance is 6400. Yes, here we have the second problem. Standard material allowed to produce 100 units of finished products, where 20 kgs at rupees 10 per kg. So the actual output given is 7200 units and actual material used is 1600 kg, and you are going to compute material quantity variance. Let's see the formula for material quantity variance. Standard price into standard quantity for actual output minus actual output. Okay, so that firstly we'll see standard price. So in question they have given the standard price as rupees 10 per kg. For 1 kg they are charging rupees 10. So I will put 10. And then next we need a standard quantity for actual output. So they just give 20 kgs. The information is on 20 kgs. They are saying for 1 kg it is rupees 10 per kg. Okay, and they have given 20 kg. We doesn't have a proper information for standard quantity for actual output. So let's see the actual output, whether we have the information for actual output or not. Let's see. So here they have given the information actual material used, so that we have actual output is 1600 kg. So we'll put 1600 kg, so that we have, it is very clear that we don't have the information for standard quantity for actual output. So we'll just compute standard quantity for actual output. So here we have the information. See, to produce 100 units, the material allowed is 20 kgs. Okay. See to the question. To produce 100 units, the material allowed is 20 kgs. But what the formula is for actual output. So for actual output it is 7200 units. Okay, so that we are going to produce 7200 units. Okay, so you are going to produce 7200 units. So we just going to compute what the material allowed is. So that here we do one calculation. 7200 into, so for 100 units we are using 20 kg. So 20 divided by 100, which gives you 1440 kgs. So now I am substituting this 1440 kgs here. So 10 into 1440 minus 1600, which gives you minus 160. So the rupees is 1600. So as already I said, if the amount is in negative, so actually we'll get minus 1600. In rupees we didn't mean the negative positive value, so that we'll just simply put rupees 1600. But the amount is on negative, so that we'll put as A. A is nothing but adverse. Okay, so the material quantity variance is rupees 1600 adverse. Yes, I hope now you will get some idea on the topic standard costing. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.